Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theories, and in this video we are going to discuss the term Adonic lines in poetry. Introduction. The term Adonic refers to a specific type of metrical line in poetry. It consists of a dactyl followed by a spondee. Adonic lines are most commonly recognized as the fourth and last lines of the Sapphic stanza, a classical poetic form. This video explores the structure, origin, and significance of Adonic lines in poetry, with examples to illustrate their use. Structure of Adonic lines. An Adonic line is composed of two metrical feet. Dactyl, a metrical feet with one stressed syllable followed by two unstressed syllables, for example, dum da da. Spondee, a metrical foot with two stressed syllables, for example, dum dum. Thus, an Adonic line can be represented as dum da da dum dum. Origin and historical context. The Adonic line is named after the ancient Greek mythological figure Adonis, symbolizing beauty and ephemeral nature of life. This metrical line gained prominence in the classical period and was notably used in the Sapphic stanza, named after Greek poet Sappho. Sappho, who lived around 600 BCE, is renowned for her lyrical poetry, which often explores themes of love and passion. The Sapphic stanza consists of 4 lines. The first 3 lines follow a specific metrical pattern known as the Sapphic meter, and the 4th line is Adonic. This structure creates a rhythmic and melodic effect, enhancing the emotional and aesthetic impact of the poetry. Examples of Adonic lines in poetry. To understand the use of Adonic lines, it is helpful to examine examples from classical poetry. One of the most famous uses of the Adonic lines in Sappho's poetry through much of her work survives only in fragments. In English translations and adaptations, the Adonic line maintains its metrical form. For instance, in Algernon Charles Swinburne's adaptations of Sapphic meter, the Adonic line is preserved to retain the rhythmic quality of the original. All the night sleep came not upon my eyelids. Shame may come yet, time may rekindle. Love that's dead now, reignite the old flame, but not now. Here, but not now, serves as an Adonic line following the dactyl spondee pattern. Significance of Adonic lines. The use of Adonic lines in poetry serves several purposes. Rhythmic variation. The combination of dactyl and spondee creates a distinct rhythmic pattern that contrasts with the preceding lines. This variation adds musicality and complexity to the poem. Emotional impact. The abruptness of the spondee and the end of the line can convey a sense of finality or emphasis, enhancing the emotional resonance of the poem. Aesthetic appeal. The structured repetition of the spondic stanza ending with an Adonic line creates a pleasing rhythmic and auditory experience for the reader or listener. Conclusion. Adonic lines consisting of a dactyl followed by a spondee are a unique and significant feature of classical poetry, particularly in the Sapphic stanza. Their rhythmic variation, emotional impact, and aesthetic appeal make them a powerful tool in the poet's arsenal. By understanding the structure and function of Adonic lines, readers can better appreciate the artistry and craft of poets like Sappho and their enduring contributions to the world of poetry. So this was the discussion on the term Adonic lines in poetry. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.